I want to talk to you guys about this beautiful device here. So I had this laptop for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say this is the best laptop I have ever used. I have absolutely no complaints about it. Simple as it's a simple design, it's really flat and it's really portable. And I know it's a bit large, but I have large hands, so that's no problem for me. Even when you put it in your lap, it sits comfortably, and also it has a beautiful screen. The keyboard layout, the place to put your hands, everything. I think for me, everything is perfect on this laptop. The sound quality, this is top notch. I mean, obviously I can't let you hear it from the video because it's not gonna give it any justice. But this is a beautiful device all around, and the screen is beautiful. I know the screen has a little matte finish to it, so it doesn't reflect much, which I really appreciate. It's not level like a work computer, but it does a great job at keeping you focused on what's on the screen. You do have your fingerprint scanner here, and on this side you have your micro SD card slot, which is really handy for creators. Once you put your, let's say you have a GoPro or an Insta360, you just pop that micro SD card and put it right there, and then you can edit your video. It does have a full HDMI port also, and two Thunderbolt port. So this is really an all-around device. You do also have a 3.5mm audio jack and a full-size USB-A. Nothing but good stuff about this laptop. I really love it, and I absolutely don't regret buying it. If you have the budget for it, go for it. I definitely recommend it. And here's the another good part about it: you can use it as a tablet, and it does come with an S Pen and everything that you need. So the screen, it's beautiful. It's a large 16 inches display, and the build quality, it is really solid. It's firm. Like I said, guys, just get yourself one.